Good day everyone and welcome to our Saladmaster Amazing LutuAN cooking show. And for today's recipe is Greaseless pork tempo dinuguan. It's healthy because it has no oil. So we started sauteing our garlic sa ating brazier pan without oil. And then the next is onion. Medium fire lang po. Okay, medium fire lang po. It's healthy now because it has no oil, it's less cholesterol. Our next step is adding the pork. It's a pre-boiled pork. Next is salt.
And dahon ng laurel.
Stir fry mo na daw po and then just add vinegar once nag-release yung natural oil from the pork. So we're only using it. Alright. So kanina po pala, nag-add na si Mami ng suka tsaka yung pork blood or dugo ng baboy. And then yung sili and then pinakulo na lang. And here it is. Our greaseless pork dinuguan. Wow! So, again, we want to thank you for watching our videos. So, just stay safe and sana po nag-enjoy kayo dito. And if you like it, just press the like button and share. Share to your friends. Share the video, not the virus. I want to thank everyone for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Amazing LutuAN. And thank you very much and God bless everyone. Bye!